Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about the difference between dividend stocks and index funds. Number 1. Dividend stocks are mainly chosen for regular dividend income, whereas index funds are mainly chosen for broad market exposure and long-term growth. Number 2. Dividend stocks are usually individual companies that pay dividends, whereas index funds are investment funds that hold many stocks and track a market index. Number 3. Income from dividend stocks comes directly from company dividend payments, whereas returns from index funds come from overall index growth along with dividends from the underlying holdings. Number 4. Dividend stocks are less diversified unless you buy many different companies, whereas index funds provide instant diversification across many stocks. Number 5. Dividend stocks carry higher company-specific risk, whereas index funds reduce single company risk, although they still carry market risk. Number 6. Dividend stocks require selecting and monitoring individual companies, whereas index funds follow a passive approach with minimal stock picking. Number 7. Dividend stocks usually need more research and ongoing analysis, whereas index funds generally need less research and are easier to manage. Number 8. Dividend stocks may involve the cost of buying multiple stocks separately, whereas index funds are often bought in one purchase and usually have a low expense ratio. Number 9. Dividend stocks can offer a higher current cash yield, whereas index funds usually offer a lower yield but give broader market exposure. Number 10. The performance of dividend stocks depends on the specific companies you choose, whereas the performance of index funds generally follows the overall market index. Number 11. Dividend stocks give investors more control over exact stock selection, whereas index funds offer less control over individual holdings. Number 12. Dividend stocks are often used for passive income strategies, whereas index funds are often used for simple long-term wealth building. Number 13. Dividend cuts in a company can reduce your income directly, whereas in index funds the income effect is spread across many holdings, reducing the impact. Number 14. Dividend stocks may generate taxable dividend income regularly, whereas index funds are often considered relatively tax-efficient because of their passive structure. Number 15. Dividend stocks are best for investors seeking income and direct stock selection, whereas index funds are best for investors seeking diversification and simplicity. In summary, dividend stocks focus more on income, individual company selection, and cash flow, whereas index funds focus more on diversification, simplicity, and market-matching long-term growth. The better choice depends on your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investing style. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.